Today we're going to be taste testing fruit gummies. I know that's not the name. And I also will taste the scent of the Christmas time. We're going to do the Santa gummies. Okay, Dad, which one should we do first?
Santa.
Santa. Second. This is hard. Oh, look, it magically opens. Yay! Yay. Ooh, sorry. Which one do you want first?
Green.
There. I've got fish on Kelly. What's yours?
I'm not sure.
Let me try one.
What did you think of the red one?
I think it's artificial Kelly.
And what's the green one?
There's another one.
What does it say on the package?
It doesn't say anything. Okay. Now we will be trying this.
Gummies.
That was a lot easier to open. Okay. Which one do you want to try first? The pineapple, strawberry, apple, or grape? I'm gonna try this one first.
Grape.
Grape? Okay, let me grab one. There you go, Mr. Grape Guy. So hard to chew.
Not really flavorful.
I can't chew it. Also not flavorful.
This one's getting better.
Let me try one. Just remember. Okay, so I'd say the overall rating of these is like a 4 out of 10 for me, and like a 7. What about you? What's your Santa gummies for you?
I would do the opposite. I think the Santa ones were pretty good. And I didn't really like the grape gummy.
It's not only grape, they're also.
Oh, I haven't tried this.